are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security system, heated steering wheel, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, heated front seats, power windows. Come take a test drive today.